Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the video. Also hit the bell button and don't forget to leave comments. Thank you very much for watching. Welcome to Raji's cooking show. Today we are making a healthy avocado bread in the oven. This recipe is healthy because it uses no refined flour, is high in healthy fats, rich in protein and keeps you full longer. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Welcome to Raji's cooking show. Today, we're making a delicious dish with these fresh ingredients. We have avocado, eggs, garlic, oil, lemon, salt, parsley, almond flour, and let's get started.
Mash one ripe avocado until smooth. Press down firmly and use a circular motion. Continue until there are no lumps left. Now, lift the fork to check the texture. It should be creamy and smooth, and salt. Add eggs, olive oil, lemon juice, and salt.
Add garlic and parsley for fresh flavor. Mix in almond flour and sesame seeds. Transfer into a greased baking dish. For 20 to 25 minutes until golden. 20 to 25 minutes until golden.
This is the end product that will come out of the oven. The bread is so tasty and filling that you will not return to store-bought breads. This bread is so soft and slices beautifully, and it's completely flour-free. Look at that perfect slice. So soft and delicious. Hope you all enjoyed my video today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.